Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Clips enabled, you have broadcaster or editor access, and the footage you want is saved. Once enabled, open your VOD or live archive and mark timestamps where highlights begin and end. This saves time. Make sure to note creator permissions if content includes other streamers. Why do this now? Because precise timestamps and rights clearances prevent rework later and speed up the featured clip creation workflow. You now create the clip. Open the clip editor, drag handles to refine the start and end, and preview at least twice. This ensures the action hits at the right moment. Once trimmed, add a clear, searchable title and relevant tags so viewers can find it. If you apply overlays or captions, place them where they don't block faces or HUD. Make sure colors and contrast remain legible for small screens, because discoverability depends on both content and presentation. You finish by featuring the clip. Pin it to your channel, set it as featured on panels, and share links to socials with a short call to action. Monitor view counts and feedback to decide if edits are needed. If something goes wrong, for example the clip is blurry or removed, re-export a higher quality trim from the original VOD and re-upload, and double-check that permissions are recorded. This fixes most issues and preserves your featured content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.